Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring moto vehicle experience. Today we bring you a comprehensively review of the 2023 Toyota Prius Hybrid, EHV. The 2023 Toyota Prius Hybrid combines style and performance perfectly. This car has a sleek design and advanced technology. It offers a cutting-edge driving experience with an improved powertrain, updated safety features, and enhanced interior comfort. Exterior design. The exterior of the Prius Hybrid is sure to catch plenty of attention as it strolls down the road. It boasts a new, sportier look with its edgier design. The car's design has been completely overhauled with a sleek, low-slung silhouette. It has a larger grille flanked by angular, sculpted headlights. Its profile features an aggressive hood, a slimmer rear roofline, and a more pronounced rear deck. Interior design. This car has been fitted with various luxurious upgrades to create a more comfortable and refined experience. It comes with new, more advanced technology options and intuitive user interfaces. The car features a more spacious interior with extra headroom and legroom to accommodate a wider range of drivers. The hybrid's interior is designed with a sleek, modern aesthetic. It comes with many premium materials, including genuine wood, and aluminum trim. There's plenty of space to store your items with its generous center console and available 60/40 split foldable rear seat. These materials blend to create a cohesive design that creates an ambience like no other. Powertrain and performance. The new and improved powertrain featured in the car will deliver a more exhilarating driving experience. The hybrid combines the power of a gasoline engine with the efficiency of a hybrid electric drive system. The gasoline engine has a larger displacement, while the hybrid electric drive system provides superior acceleration. The integrated motor assist system featured in the Prius Hybrid is more responsive and provides more power than the previous engine. The new hybrid electric drive system offers improved torque and acceleration, while the hybrid Synergy drive offers better fuel efficiency. The new Prius Hybrid has two engine powertrain options, the standard engine and the advanced engine. The standard engine features a 1.8 L Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine with a combined electric power output of 121 horsepower. The advanced engine has a 2.0 L Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine producing 134 horsepower. Safety features. The Prius Hybrid has a range of standard and advanced safety features. The car has been equipped with Toyota Safety Sense P. As standard comes with a forward collision warning, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, and a pre-collision system. Forward collision warning uses a camera to monitor traffic ahead and notify you if a potential collision is detected. Lane departure alert uses sensors to detect any unintended lane movement. Automatic high beams uses sensors to detect other vehicles on the road that are driving in front of you. Pre-collision system uses sensors to detect potential collisions and works with your steering wheel to avoid a potential accident. Technology. The new Prius Hybrid has been fitted with various new technology features and accessories. Two technology packages can be added to the car, the technology with in-tune packages. The technology package has the following standard features: integrated in-car navigation and telematics, push-button start, and a head-up display, audio with integrated navigation, connected services, and remote access. The car comes with extra features such as tow hook, roof rack, rails, and an extra-large sunroof. Value for money? It offers a more comfortable, convenient, and luxurious ride with its improved powertrain, updated safety features, and enhanced interior design. The Hybrid EV has many features and accessories to customize your ride. This model costs a whopping $35,000 zero mileage. Whether you're looking for a hybrid vehicle that's stylish and fun to drive or one that's more economical, the Prius Hybrid is sure to fit the bill. Which car do you want us to review? Share your sentiments in the comments section. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment.